All right, with D-POW just right around the corner, make sure you switch your maps to snow mode. Snow mode and dirt mode have the same functionality, so as long as you download the offline maps before you go out, you're actually able to get back there and pull out your phone and check out those offline maps while you're riding, and it's a super convenient tool. All right, so out west we have a ton of public lands. There's unlimited riding areas, lots of different mountain ranges, lots of areas to explore. So you need to make sure that you're staying within the boundaries and make sure you're riding legal, safe riding areas. And onX Offroad keeps you in the legit riding areas. Whether you're new into the sport or you're an advanced snowmobiler, SNOTEL sites are your best friend. So I'm constantly looking at the SNOTELs and seeing what they're doing across the Northwest. I mean, if an area gets hammered 3, 4, 5 feet, I'm gonna go there, and the SNOTEL is a great indicator of what's happening in the area that you're in, and also the Northwest. There's hundreds of SNOTEL sites. If you're road tripping with your buddies to a new area, make sure you use the Discover button. So if you click on the Discover button, it's gonna point you to different trails that are in the area, and it will give you a good foundation of where you wanna start your adventure. All right, when you're scoping new areas, you want to make sure you get a good idea of what that area is all about. The 3D map satellite is the way to do that, because you're able to get a really good view of what the canyons, what the mountains, what the aspects look like on that mountain. All right, with this season coming, we're only a couple weeks out and we're going to be blasting the powder. So make sure you stay safe, have fun out there, use all the functions and features of onX Offroad, and have a great time.